Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Daubney's Spun and Luxe Garden Mani tutorial, and this is Spun and Luxe by Essie, Chameleon Denim and Bling by Sinful Colors, Daubney's Garden Chunky Glitter Top Coat by Orly, Moyra Stamping Foil Glue. Highly recommend this. Highly recommend this. Moyu London Banana Ice. You're gonna need some Little Ondine water-based top coat. And we're not using me as secret. Everything will be listed below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you subscribe, like, and share this video. Do click on the notification bell so you can be notified. I upload every Saturday. Same old. We start off with the base coat. Now we're going in with Essie Spun and Luxe. This polish is off the charts chic. I super mega love this look. Just with this and Chameleon together are so bombastic. I really love the way this polish looks on nails. I got it from TJ Maxx. It was for like $3 US. I'm doing one coat only of each nail, except for Chameleon will be 2 coats. I'll do the second coat off camera just because you get the gist. I have a ton of photos at the end. They're really beautiful. I hope you check them out. Now we're going in with Chameleon. Gosh, this polish complements this Spun and Luxe so much. So much. I almost just left the pinky and the ring finger blank just because they look that pretty together. So this is Daubney's Garden. I'm going to get all the glitters from the bottom of the bottle. I think the matte look is really cool with the glitter. However, I'm going to top coat. I think the gold over the matte is really good idea. I just don't know how to. I can use a matte top coat over the gold, but I don't know. I think it gets lost with all the craziness of the butterfly on the chunky glitter, the yellow butterflies. They steal the show, so I kind of want something to kind of continue on from that nail, from those 2 nails, so it's not so off balance visually speaking. You'll know what I mean. Let me know down below if you would like to try this look out. I hope you do. And you can tag me in your photos on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. You can try this out on short nails too. Moyu London carries plates for short nail, for short nails. Just want like a waterfall effect of the glitter on this nail. It looks really nice over the green. So now we're going to use Uber Chic Far East with Moyra's stamping glue, and the plate is 01. I wanted to add dragons and the panda bear and those the vines of the lotus flowers. I just didn't have enough nails. I think I could use about 20 more fingers and 20 more nails to stamp on. Yeah, so there's the foil I didn't add, but this glue is so awesome. I recommend it. I didn't get the entire, like I missed a little bit of the handlebar for the lanterns. No biggie. Look, check it out. So you gotta try this look, I'm telling you. And now we're gonna do the flowers over under the lanterns, so you kind of have like a garden party walking through the flowers, and there's some lanterns hanging above the flowers on a ledge somewhere off a tree. So we're gonna deck those flowers with some gold. The gold isn't completely stamped over the nail because I just was not able to get it on there quick enough during filming this video. Now off camera I was able to get my other hand almost 100%. So I'm a little bit slower working on my skill with that. So, but if you were at home, you could, if you're advanced in stamping or you're not a beginner, you can fairly easy. Now if you're a beginner, I think it's still cool to try because you can get the majority of it, and it just, with practice, after a few tries, you can get it down pat. So I'm just doing touch-ups with the glitter, that's all. Now I'm going to top coat all the foil with Little Ondine. It's a water-based top coat. I'm showing you it's composed of water, natural nail color. There's no chemicals to disintegrate the foil. Going in with Kitty, plate number 13. You can order a smaller image plate that they also have available for short nails. This is a larger plate image, and that's the bottle that I'm showing you, the part of the bottle where I stamped on banana ice, and I was like, that was like a moment for me because I just sprained my ankle on Sunday, and I'm just like looking around to see what I could do for my nails because I had extra time. So Sunday is when I came up with this idea, and I worked on it Monday. I was like, yeah, this is awesome. Like, I'm looking to wear some sparkles and some butterflies. It's just a whole lot of extra going on. And just top coat everything. The butterflies, I did a gold foil underneath on my other hand, but I skipped it because I feel like this turned out a lot better this way. It blurred on my other hand, so if you can see right there on my left, there's my, see, so you can see that gold sheen, but it's still gold. The sheen, like it's brand new, is kind of faded away, but it's definitely still beautiful. I think it would be so much prettier over the matte. I just, like I said, I don't know, for me that wow factor goes away, but you should try it out if you're a matte person. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you all, and I will see you in the next tutorial.